Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. It's Sunday evening, and I'm bringing you this video to tell you about something. In fact, this video is to invite you. You have been invited to my live webinar on Monday at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. Register now. Click the free link below this video. This is the link, but it'll also be below the video. Click the link and register. If you can't make the actual live, at least you'll be able to get a recording, but come see it live because it only happens once. And if they don't record it, you'll have missed it. So make sure you register now. It happens Monday, 4 p.m. Eastern. If you're watching this video now, you have about 30 minutes while it's still Sunday. If you watch it past Sunday night, it is for today, Monday, 4 p.m. Register now. I'll see you there, traders. Remember, stop sort in. Emotions are out. I will see you at the webinar at 4 o'clock. Thank you so much for tuning in. Your free link is below.